If your windows are being stubborn and won't lock right, it's usually about the sash alignment or a busted locking mechanism messing things up. So first off, check if your window sash is lined up properly, because if it's off, the lock won't catch. You can usually fix this by loosening the screws on the hinges or tracks and gently shifting the sash until it's straight. Next, look at the locking mechanism itself. Sometimes dirt, rust, or broken parts stop it from working smoothly. Clean the lock with some lubricant, and if anything looks cracked or worn, swap out those parts. Also, tighten any loose screws because loose hardware can throw everything off. If your window is old, it might need a full lock replacement, which isn't as scary as it sounds and saves you from future headaches. Don't forget to test the lock after each fix to make sure it clicks in place securely. And if you're feeling stuck, there are plenty of step-by-step guides online that walk you through fixing common window lock problems without needing fancy tools. One of the biggest problems people face with windows that are difficult to lock is misaligned sashes, which stops the lock from catching properly and makes the whole window feel loose. Fixing this usually means adjusting or repositioning the sash so everything lines up perfectly. Another common issue is a broken or worn-out locking mechanism. This happens when parts get old or damaged and won't latch anymore. The easy fix is to replace the faulty parts or the entire lock assembly so your window stays secure. Lastly, folks often overlook loose screws or hardware that cause misalignment and weak locking. Just tightening these can make a huge difference without any major repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find local contractors they can actually trust for stuff like window repairs. It also hooks up contractors with real work, making it easier for both sides to get things done right without all the usual hassle.